Hello friend, today I am going to start for session class 7 and 8. Topic computer network. Computer network. First of all we have to know about the computer network. What is computer network? A computer can be formed between two or more computer linked together in a room or building, town, city, etc. When two computers are linked together, that is called the network. Network have some advantage. Cost efficiency. If you have to send a file one computer to another computer, no cost will be found. Backup should be taken. Communications tool reduce the need of head copies. एक कॉपीज़ को दूसरी कॉपीज़ में रखने की मुझे कोई ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. रियल टाइम डिलीवरी हो जाएगी. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू सेंड at the same time when the other person needed. Types of network have mainly four types: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. First we have to know about the what is the PAN network. PAN, a PAN allow communications among devices. These devices include a personal computer, mobile phone, digital camera, tablet, as so on. Personal computer, that is called the personal area network. That means we share one mobile informations to another mobile informations. That is the personal network. Second, local area network, LAN. The full form of LAN is local area network. It is a network of computer devices such as computer, smartphones and peripheral devices within a room. That means we share any informations one room to another room, then we use our communications network, that is called the network of LAN, yani local area network. Metropolitan area network, it is a kind of network which connect computing devices which are geographically located at the separate area but within the same city. Man can cover about a few hundred kilometer area in radius. Suppose I have two companies, one in Sasaram and another in Delhi. Then we need a metropolitan area network, any man, to share information one companies to another company in a easily way. That is the metropolitan area network. We have to use the metropolitan area network. Wide area network, WAN. WAN can cover geographical areas such as country, continent, world, whole world. It contains multiple computing devices located at the distant locations such as government office branches, one country to another country information sharing. That is depend on the WAN. We are using internet, that is the also a WAN, because we are searching any information on Google, that is that search through the WAN, wide area network. Students, you all have to complete these topics and note down into the notebook. Homework, note down the homework and complete it in a notebook. What do you understand by computer networking? Second, differentiate between the PAN and MAN. Third, name the types of computer network. And the fourth is, which is the most popular wireless network technology? You have to complete the homework.